Friday night, Skip Jeffrey's coming here from the garage here. Just kind of getting ready for our planting. We're planning on doing a pretty good healthy amount of garlic and onions. So I mean, our main goal is we're going to probably do cucumbers again this year, and ideally it'd be nice to have all the ingredients to make pickles this year. So went ahead, we've got we redid our flower bed or garden beds this past 2 weeks here. So these are kind of remnants from the garden here. We've got some wild garlic here. This one here we transplanted a plant originally from my wife's house back in Del City, and they just been kind of producing every year. They kind of clump up and you just separate them. So we went ahead and picked them out because we were redoing the beds anyway. So got quite a few of those things in here. Also went to, I think it was Atwood's, and they had their garlic, I would say maybe 20% off on sale. So we picked up a couple extra cloves to kind of strengthen the old garden bed. We also came across, we've got some, I would call them some wild onions. Kind of two different varieties. We got some green onions here, and then these are the remnants of, they call them, I guess my father-in-law calls them walking onions. We started off, I think, with 2 or 3 plants, and by the end of it, I mean, I've got a handful of these walking onions here. We're gonna give them a try, replant them. We're just kind of letting them dry out. Then also it was same deal. We've got some red onions. We quite a few red onions, as you can see here, but we're gonna give these a go too. So we're gonna try to do an onion and garlic bed, and we'll kind of keep you guys posted on how that goes. But anyways, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.